Welcome back to the Stock Commandments channel. This week, January 20th to 25th, 2025, the earnings season is in full swing, and we're using earnings whispers to scout the top performers. Let's get this money. Quick heads up. The market's taking a timeout on Monday, January 20th, for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Time to recharge those batteries and get ready for the rest of the week's action. The economic calendar is a bit lighter this week, so all eyes are on the earnings scoreboard. It's like the playoffs, every game counts. We hit up earnings whispers to find the MVPs of this week's earnings lineup. Netflix, NFLX, reporting on day, Tuesday, January 21st, after market close. The streaming wars are heating up, and Netflix is looking to defend their crown. Will their subscriber numbers be a slam dunk or a turnover? Procter & Gamble, PG, reporting on Wednesday, January 22nd, before market open. A classic blue chip stock. They're like the reliable veteran on the team, always delivering solid performance. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, reporting on Wednesday, January 22nd, before market open. A giant in the healthcare sector. Their earnings can give us a read on the overall health of the industry. General Electric, GE, reporting on Thursday, January 23rd, before market open. A historic industrial powerhouse. Their results can tell us a lot about the manufacturing sector. These are just a few all-stars. There are plenty of other players on the field, so check a full earnings calendar for companies you're tracking. Just like in sports, there are key stats that tell the story. In earnings, it's all about 1. EPS, earnings per share. Did they beat the spread, analyst estimates? This is like scoring more points than the opposing team. 2. Revenue. Did they hit their revenue targets? This is like gaining more yards or hitting more home runs. 3. Guidance. What's their outlook for the future? This is like a coach's prediction for the rest of the season. 4. Conference calls. Tune into the conference calls. It's like listening to the post-game press conference for insights from the management. Even with earnings in focus, there are always wildcards that can shake things up. 1. Geopolitical events. Think of this as a sudden injury to a star player. 2. Unexpected economic news from other countries. This is like a surprise upset in another game that affects the standings. That's your earnings preview for the week of January 20th, 2025. Remember to verify those dates and times and do your own research. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay in the game. See you next time on the Stock Commandments channel.